Welcome to information about prepositional phrases. So a prepositional phrase always begins with the preposition and it ends with the object, which is either a noun or a pronoun. So for example, you have over the mountains. So over is your preposition, mountains is the object. The word the is an adjective, specifically an article. So what do prepositional phrases do? They're actually modifiers. So they're adding information to the sentence by modifying another word in the sentence. They should also be located as close as possible to the word in which it's modifying. So for example, the birds flew. So we ask, which birds? Where did they fly? If we're asking which birds, it's an adjective. If we're asking where did they fly, it's an adverb. So in more detail, instead of just saying the birds flew, we give more information by saying the birds in the aviary flew into the trees. Therefore, in the aviary is acting as an adjective describing the birds, and into the trees is describing the verb of the sentence, which then makes the preposition an adverb. So prepositions can modify the object in a preceding prepositional phrase as well. That's why sometimes a prepositional phrase will operate as an adverb, but then the one following it is acting as an adjective because it's modifying the noun that's actually in the prepositional phrase prior to it. So for example, we saw them fly across our path through the woods. So where did we see them fly? Across our path. What path? Through the woods. Therefore, across our path is acting as an adverb, but through the woods is acting as an adjective describing path. So adjectives themselves answer these questions. What kind? How many? Which one? Therefore, they modify nouns and pronouns. So the bird on the stamp is a scarlet tanager. This modifies the bird. Therefore, it's an adjective. Adverbs, on the other hand, ask when, where, why, or under what conditions. Therefore, these modify them verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Again, going back to the parts of speech. This is the prettiest of all the new stamps. So it's modifying prettiest, and it's also next to the word prettiest. Prettiest being an adjective. Therefore, what modifies adjectives? Adverbs. Therefore, the prepositional phrase is operating as an adverb. That's the end of this instruction. Please go into your grammar packet or worksheet or whatever it is that you have been given at this point so that you can practice your newfound knowledge.